Magic is real, at least the kind we make ourselves. Sigil magic is one of the most direct ways to take an intention and turn it into a reality. It's like planting a seed in your subconscious. Want to attract love? Get that promotion? Sigil magic can help focus your energy. It all starts with a symbol. This isn't just any doodle. This is a sigil, a magically charged symbol you create. The process is simple but powerful. You take your desire, transform it into an abstract symbol, and then charge that symbol with your intent. It's like sending a direct message to the universe. But be careful what you wish for. Magic is a tool, and like any tool, it can be used for good or bad. That's where ethics come in. More on that later. For now, let's get down to the fun part, creating your own sigil. Step 1. Choose your intention. What do you want to manifest in your life? Be specific. Instead of more money, think a raise at work. Write it down as a clear, concise statement. This is the foundation of your sigil. Step 2. Convert your statement into a sigil. There are many ways to do this. One common method is to remove all vowels and repeating letters from your statement. For example, a raise at work becomes RS twerk. Then you can use these letters to create a design. Get creative. There's no right or wrong way to do this. Step 3, activate your sigil. This is where you breathe life into your creation. You can do this through meditation, visualization, or any other method that resonates with you. The key is to focus your intention on the sigil and charge it with your desire. Once you feel the energy flowing, release your sigil into the universe. Trust that it will work its magic. Step 4, seals. A seal is like a signature for your sigil. It's an extra layer of intention and power. You can use a pre-existing symbol that resonates with you, or you can create your own. Simply draw or visualize the seal around your sigil, and you're good to go. Magic is a neutral force. It's like fire. It can cook your food or burn down your house. It all depends on how you use it. The same goes for magic. People often talk about black magic and white magic, but these are just labels. The real difference lies in the intention behind the magic. Black magic is associated with selfish or harmful intentions. It's about using magic to control or manipulate others. White magic, on the other hand, is about using magic for good. It's about healing, protection, and helping others. But remember, even good intentions can have unintended consequences. That's why it's so important to approach magic with caution and respect. With great power comes great responsibility. Sigil magic is a powerful tool, and it's important to use it wisely. Before you cast any spells, ask yourself, what are my intentions? Am I harming anyone? Am I interfering with someone's free will? If the answer to any of these questions is yes, then it's best to reconsider. Magic is not a toy. It's a sacred practice that should be treated with respect. Use it for good, use it wisely, and use it with a clear conscience. And remember, the most powerful magic of all is the magic we create within ourselves.